From package thieves to midnight creepers, these videos will make you question if you really know the people living next door. In today's video, we will take you through the most unbelievable moments caught on camera. Trust no one and stay vigilant because the crazies are out there and they might just be your neighbors. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Midnight Creeps CrimeWatch, the only show that keeps you one step ahead of the neighborhood crazies. In Louisville, Kentucky, a brazen package thief strikes in broad daylight. A young woman casually opens her neighbor's package, rummages through its contents, and then returns it as if nothing happened. In Kalamazoo, Michigan, a man wiggles at someone's door, eventually breaks the door and forcefully enters the home. Meanwhile, in Columbus, Ohio, a female lurks outside a residence, deliberately covering up the doorbell camera. In Okeechobee, Florida, a man's misfortune of running out of gas is compounded by the callous actions of a passerby who steals his gas canister in a brazen act of opportunistic theft. Plant City, Florida, a neighbor boldly steals a food delivery, leaving the rightful owner hungry and bewildered. The audacity knows no bounds, as evidenced by a woman in San Leandro, California, who nonchalantly steals a neighbor's security sign. The irony is that she says thanks. In Montgomery, Alabama, neighborly disputes escalate to alarming levels. A man fired pistol shots at someone's home and ran off.
Were you with me when we came out here?
Yep.
With the dog? Oh. The upstairs of the unit, I believe. Someone coming?
Hello. Did you hear any shots being fired?
Yeah, but I thought it was firecrackers.
Alright, well it wasn't. I see you have cameras out front there.
Yeah.
Do
You need to look at them?
Yeah, if you have access to them.
Yeah, could you pull him up?
Give me that. I got my dog. Let me go get
Okay.
In Toledo, Ohio, the presence of law enforcement suggests a situation where gunshots have been fired. The disregard for others' property continues, with a neighbor in Detroit, Michigan, stealing hanging plants. Can't leave plants outside anymore. In Sacramento, California, an apartment tenant fell victim to a brazen theft while he was moving some of his stuff. In Arverne, New York, a man in a Pac-Man shirt takes a present from a lady that was for her grandbaby, a cruel reminder that trust is a fragile commodity in these troubled times. In Phoenix, Arizona, a neighbor stole someone's camera. He picks it up and gets away with it.
Hey, I see you, and I'm on my way. Around the corner.
Okeechobee, Florida. A man is suspiciously checking someone's AC. The homeowner confronted him with the Ring camera, and he ran off. In Norcross, Georgia, a shirtless man checks the door and attempts to enter a home that is not his own. In Gainesville, Florida, where a woman in a blue dress rummages through her neighbor's yard and picks up a bag, but she realizes that it is just laundry and throws it in the alley. In Monroe, Louisiana, a shirtless man is seen lurking outside a home at 3 a.m., checking people's doors. The house owner asked him to get lost. Albuquerque, New Mexico, another shirtless creeper enters someone's house at 3:30 a.m. Looks like he is finding a shirt or something, a chilling reminder of the dangers that can lurk just beyond our doorsteps. These disturbing incidents serve as a wake-up call to us all, a stark reminder that the veneer of neighborly harmony can easily be shattered by those who seek to do harm. As we witness these chilling encounters, it becomes clear that vigilance and awareness are our greatest allies in the fight against these neighborhood nightmares. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Midnight Creeps so that you can remain aware of these creeps.